Here we have a cordless vacuum cleaner provided by Trucozie for review. We have the main body of the vacuum cleaner. Here we have an adjustable extension tube from 15 inches to 45 inches. To connect it, you simply align and snap into place. We have your motorized floor brush. To install, simply align and snap into place. This is your 7x 2200 milliamp lithium-ion battery, which charges in about 5 hours with a max runtime of 45 minutes. To install, simply align the grooves and snap into place. All-in-one stick vacuum is lightweight at 3.3 pounds. You have a nice LED screen with your power button here and your speed button. Simply press to turn on. You have your battery level indicators. Press this button here to adjust your speed. If your roller gets tangled, you have an indicator right above here. Easy to clean. Once you hit max on your dirt level, press one button to release the dust cup. Now to change your filter, open up the dust cup, remove the battery, and remove the filter simply by twisting counterclockwise. And here is your filter. Includes your cleaning brush to clean the filter and an additional HEPA filter. If necessary, you may run this through running water. Just make sure it's completely dry before inserting back into place. We have your V-shaped detangled floor brush that lifts long hair and dirt from carpet and wood floors. 6 LED headlights spots hard to see dust. Easily convert into a handheld without the extension. The motorized floor brush is rotatable left and right and 90 degrees up and down. Includes a sofa brush, your 2-in-1 crevice tool, a wall hanger with a couple of anchors and screws, your power adapter, and your user manual. Headlights help spot hard to see dirt. Right, you can see here we have 2 steps that are fairly clean. Your dust cup that is empty. We're gonna go ahead and give it a test. Here we have your collected dust from 2 steps.